Hello dear Virgo, welcome back to my channel, and this is your April 3rd week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. So if you are looking for a monthly reading, that's already uploaded on my channel. This is going to be a weekly reading. Let's begin. If you are interested in rituals, let me tell you, full moon is happening. If you missed the 12th April, you can still avail these facilities, these utilize these energies on the 13th and 14th as well. So please make your rituals booking now. Stay tuned till the end because I have a lot of interesting news for you guys. Let's start with your reading. Your cards are already out. For your career, you have got the Six of Spades and the Devil card. Capricorn Sun Moon Rising can be important for you. Sorry, probably because I'm making a lot of videos, so my voice is like that. I do see Virgos that you have a very giving energy. Okay, you are giving your 100%, or being polite also, helping people at work also, whether in your business or your job. But I do see that there's someone who's trying to pull you down, someone who doesn't want to see you succeed. It can be your own business partner, own family member. It can be somebody at your job as a boss or a colleague or a junior as well. So be very, very uh, aware of it, who that person is. Do not trust people easily. Do not definitely lend any kind of money around this time because the chances are that this person is going to betray your trust, take that money and run away. So be very careful because I see a toxic energy around you. It can be one or more people as well, depending upon your situation. I do see that 15th number is also very prominent. So be aware of 15th, 15th date, or this person's birthday could be on 15th, seat number 15th, roll number 15th, anything. So be very, very aware of it. So somebody is trying to bring you down when it comes to your career. So you have to be very cautious. Don't be as giving as you naturally are because I do see that you have very kind energies and sometimes you will just not see a person for who they are because you are nice, right? You want to see the best in people. So be aware of that. Don't do that in the third week at least. Otherwise, the chances are that you're going to suffer because of that. As simple as that. Let's see what's happening in your personal life now. You've got the Pope card and the Death card in your personal life. Prepare for a lot of major changes happening in your life, major transformation happening in your life, which means your life will not be the same as it is right now. Which means if you're single, you can get into a committed relationship, and obviously, life is different when you are with someone. If you're in a relationship, you can get married. If you're married, you can have kids. Life changes after that, right? So, that kind of big change is happening. Even if you're single, you can directly get married as well. Life is going to change for you, and how. So you could be getting married in the third week of April, or something substantial is happening, some form of commitment is happening. I also see that you will also have to change according to the changes around you, which means that you can never be the same person. The way you were living your life when you were single versus the way you are living your life now when you're in a relationship is different, right? You had nobody to call to, no responsibility, no accountability. Now all that is going to change. So yes, even if you're married, your accountability, relationship, and the entire schedule, night schedule, day schedule is going to change according to the baby. So you could get that kind of changes as well. I also see a lot of endings happening. Why? Because the death card has come, which means endings and new beginnings. So something has to end. Your single life has to end so that your love life can begin, your committed relationship can begin, or your marriage can begin, or your you know uh, couple time is ending so that your children time starts, which means the family time starts. So something, some sort of ending is going to happen, which will be for your own good only. You will have to end one side of you, right? One phase of your life, so that that new phase of your life can begin. And it is going to be a very positive, transformative phase for you. So don't resist it because it is bound to happen. All these things are going to make you very happy. Someone can come back as well, so reconciliation can also happen, which is something that you did not expect, but mostly it has to do with some sort of endings. That means either you or that person will have to end something to begin this new relationship if they want. Like you both could be in a third party situation, so they will have to end something, or you will have to end something in order to have a fresh start. So some sort of ending, some sort of beginning, major changes coming in your life. And yes, stay away from toxic people. If I see your overall week looks good to me, apart from the fact that you have to be cautious and protect yourself and not be too trusting of people, it is going to be a big transformative week for you. So if you guys want to claim the positive energies of this reading, please comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that it reaches you faster. And if you would like to book any reading, let me first start with the full moon ritual. Full moon happened on the 12th. The powerful energies are on the 13th and the 14th as well. So if you have missed booking the ritual, you can still do it now. Please book it today, tomorrow, whenever you're seeing this video, and utilize the positive energies in the cosmos right now. It is the pink full moon, very powerful. So use this to manifest your desires and to remove any sort of blockages from your life, right? So I do book, take rituals as well. So you can contact me for that as well. Second is that I have started a spiritual counseling session for all those, especially for those people who are feeling very low in their life, who are stuck in their life. They have no one to talk to. They need guidance, whether that's regarding their love life, career, or their, in general, uh, health issues, friendship issues, anything that they want to talk about. I will be guiding them spiritually. I will be taking the help of the angels and guiding them through their problems, listening to their problems with 100% privacy. So if you think you are that person, or if you know someone who needs that kind of help, they can always book a spiritual counseling session with me, and this will give them remedies as well if need be. The next is I have launched various packages for you all depending upon your situation, because I see that people have multiple questions and maybe just one area of interest. Some people only want to know about their love life, some people only want to know about their career, some are single, they are curious about what's next, when is the partner coming, or some are in the new friendship zone. They want to know where is this friendship going, is it worth investing or not. So I have launched these four packages: singles, love, career, and friendship. Every package includes a remedy. Okay, so please book that as well if you are looking for a package. Very, very, very cheap, so you're not going to find anything expensive on my channel. Apart from that, I do take individual audio and video call sessions for unlimited questions as well. In that time, you can book that as well. Apart from that, the easiest and cheapest reading that you can book with me is personal reading. It starts with 170 rupees only. Yes, so do contact me. How can you actually book a reading or ritual with me or any counseling session? You can email me on the given email ID, which is also mentioned in my description box and bio. It's asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can DM me on Instagram as well, the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please follow me on Instagram as well, as I post all these things that I'm telling you right now there on a daily basis. What rituals to do, when to do, what not to do, what kind of packages, what kind of discounts, what all kind of remedies you can do on a daily basis. Okay, so please follow me on Instagram, and please also like, share, and subscribe this channel. Share it with all those people you think need help, whether a family or a friend or anyone that you know. Okay, take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.